With a breathtaking view like this house has, it's important to have a functional outdoor space. Here are some of my favorite things. I love that this terrace is one open space, but how we created some interest is we created a cooking zone, a dining zone, and a lounging zone. For the cooking zone, we have a great built-in barbecue. There's also an under-counter fridge and lots of counter space for prep. For the dining area, there's a large rectangular table that seats 6 to 8 people. It's also important that it's made out of teak, a really durable material that is great to withstand the elements. In the lounge area, there's a large sectional, as well as 2 accent chairs. A great thing is the coffee table doubles as a fire pit, which adds some warmth for those cool nights. For the flooring material, we put a large porcelain tile, which is great for being durable and easy to clean, as well. It's non-slip and withstands the elements. With the addition of beautiful planter boxes, some tabletop decor, and wonderful pillows that have lots of color and interest, you can easily change them out to create a different feel from season to season.